Have you ever wondered why you like math and science more than drawing or painting? Or maybe you're better at thinking creatively than thinking logically. This can be explained by lateralization of brain function. Lateralization is the idea that each half or hemisphere of the brain has its own unique functions.
The left brain has more control over logic, language, and the right side of the body, while the right brain has more control over artistic ability, emotions, and the left side of the body. So what is split brain research?
Before we can talk about split brain research, we need to understand the connection between the left and right brain. The corpus callosum is this thick fibrous tract that helps the left and right brain communicate. Split brain research, popularized by Roger Sperry and Michael Gazzaniga, cuts the corpus callosum and explores how each side of the brain functions independently.
Sperry and Gazzaniga's experiments show us that the right side of the brain plays a bigger role in art, music, and spatial awareness, while the left side plays a bigger role in interpreting information, logic, and language. So what happens if one hemisphere stops working?
When one half of the brain is damaged, it can lead to frequent seizures and other complications. For instance, imagine you're a soccer player, but the left side of your brain isn't working. This would cause a few problems. First of all, you'll have limited control over the right side of your body. This means you'll have difficulty seeing out of your right eye, and it'll be way harder to catch or kick a ball. On top of this, you might not understand what your teammates are saying or even be able to speak to them. So how could we fix this? When one part of the brain becomes damaged, doctors may perform a very risky surgery called a hemispherectomy to correct these problems. This surgery removes or disconnects the half of the brain that isn't working so that the remaining hemisphere can take over its jobs. You might be wondering, how could somebody possibly survive with half a brain? This is possible because of neuroplasticity, which means that the neural cells are able to change.
Hemispherectomies are usually performed on young children because the younger you are, the more quickly your brain can adapt. In a nutshell, lateralization shows us how both halves of our brain work together to solve everyday problems. Even though each hemisphere displays dominance in different areas, you use both sides of your brain for everything that you do. This is part of the reason that one hemisphere is able to take over when the other can't do its job. Thank you for watching.